Later, I will try to do it.
That's okay.
No, that because we can concentrate. No, like doing both simultaneously. Aditi will
I
be.
know. So I'm showing you how to blend two colors, okay, by both wash technique and acrylic techniques. Okay, so I've just applied water, what we do normally for the first coat. Okay, in gouache we need to do both the techniques, otherwise you will not get sufficient effect. Is Radhika there? Because I don't have my second camera on.
Yes, I'm there.
अच्छा, हाँ हूँ, बीच में करते रहा करो, मुझे पता नहीं चलता है. Okay, so this is wet on wet like watercolor. So अभी एक कलर अप्लाई किया है, ये तो आपको पता है कि वाटर पे हम कोई भी कलर अप्लाई करेंगे, it will like it will get merged. अच्छा, see here the color is getting merged, but take a clean brush. Okay, after you have applied, take a clean brush, wipe it with water, wipe it with your napkin and just go to and forth. Just go up and down where you have to blend. ये wet on wet है. Okay, wet on dry भी दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. तो अभी क्या हुआ? This has gone. और आपको जहां लगे कि नहीं हो रहा है, take the color again and go up and down, up and down. वो आपका blending में ना आप थोड़ा सा ये डर जाते होगे कि अरे खराब हो गया तो क्या होगा, ये हुआ तो वो क्या होगा. Don't stop thinking that. जितना आप सोचोगे उतना चांसेस होंगे खराब करने का. जब आप सोचोगे ही नहीं तो खराब करने के चांसेस 0 हो जाएंगे. जो भी होगा आपको वो खराब भी हुआ, इन केस वो खराब भी हुआ तो यू विल नॉट फील दैट बैड. तो अपने उससे एक्सपेक्टेशंस रख के फिर काम मत करो. ओके, ये राधिका आपको समझ में आया कैसे ब्लेंड हुआ, ग्रेडेशन कैसे आई?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
अभी हम ड्राई ऑन वेट करेंगे.
हाँ जी.
दिस वाज वेट ऑन वेट.
हाँ जी.
Wet on wet watercolor technique. Say I'll be using same colors so that there's no confusion. और आप लोग एक चीज बताइए, आप लोग डायरेक्टली बॉटल से या ट्यूब से कलर्स लेके अप्लाई करते हैं और या you take it on the palette and then
Palette. We'll take it on
the palette, na? Because what happens is if you apply it directly, then if some pigment is dark or some issue is there with the pigment, you will not be able to correct it on the sheet. Okay, so आपका वो काम बढ़ जाएगा. See Radhika, I've just applied yellow. I'll clean my brush with the same brush. I'll apply red. Sorry. Okay. अभी इसमें भी वही है, मतलब there is no rocket science to it. See, from red going to yellow. Sorry, एक्चुअली कैमरे को हाथ लग रहा है बार बार. That's why it's shaking. See, now see the difference. This is transparent,
Yeah.
okay, and this is opaque application.
Okay.
Now, can you see the difference between the two?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the method by which we use acrylic paints.
Okay.
So,
Now you are using gouache paints or which paint?
gouache paints only.
Okay.
But in gouache paints, you can. That is what I'm telling you. No?
Got
Gouache
it, got
paints
it.
give you a flexibility of using both the techniques. In acrylic or watercolors, you can't do both the things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, after applying second coat, third coat also, your painting looks good. If
Okay.
you try it, if you start doing the same thing with your acrylic colors or watercolors, it will look very bad. Acrylic will not look that bad, but watercolors will definitely look very bad.
Okay.
Okay. So this is blending. और क्या पूछ रहे थे आप लोग? Radhika had one more
Color
question.
mixing.
Color mixing. Okay.
Depth also.
Now it's very simple. See, with yellow first I'll show you what gradations we can make. Okay. Now use, you know, this is a pure color yellow. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a pure color yellow. Now, if I want to make it orange, dark orange, light orange, or maybe different shades of orange. Okay. Let's try mixing red and or yellow in such a way that we start getting yellow to orange. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show it to you with white also. Because I know Radhika has to make orange all the time. So it must be getting very difficult for her. But next time, Radhika, get.
Buy the flash colors.
Yeah, please buy
Yeah,
that.
I'll do that.
Okay. So, sorry, I again took. Okay. Let me show you here. I did a mistake. This is my red. And in this, I'll mix little bit of yellow. Okay. Now I get a tone of orange. Huh? This is right now dark. Now I want to make the same orange light. Okay, I'll take yellow. Okay, this is my yellow. You can see the palette, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'll take just a bit of red in my brush. Just a bit of red. Okay, and I'll mix it. Color mixing is nothing but taking the colors in correct proportion. Okay, now what happens if I take yellow? Yellow in more quantity, and in the same quantity if I take my red also. Okay, what happens?
Darker color.
Darker color. Okay, this is far darker than this. If you do half and half, you should always go like the scales, like if it is 50-50, okay, looking at the consistency, looking at the pattern or the color what you have on your reference, okay, if it is more, put half an hour. If it is less, then put maybe, if it is on the lighter tone, then 60-40 or 80-20, okay. I'll keep mixing yellow to this, the same shade. See, you guys can see now.
Yeah.
I'm just mixing yellow to this color, okay,
Okay.
all the time, just this quantity. You can also make shades like this and practice.
Yeah,
If you
that's
learn the shades, that becomes very easy for you to understand the tones also. I try keeping. I'm not mixing red now. Okay. And I'll keep on doing this till the time I get my brush has gone dry. So that's why. You guys can see.
yeah.
मिलाते जाएंगे. Now we get our yellow. So we have traveled through various shades till yellow. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do the same thing with white so that we understand this was like color to color, but white is a neutral shade. So let's see if the same thing works with white.
ತಿಂದ್ಯಾ?
ಬಾಲ್ಗಣಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಇದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
Please go on mute. Thank you. Actually, I also didn't get time after your last time session. Are, did I send you guys the video of last session or not? No?
No.
एक reminder देना था ना बाबा. Wow. I was so busy with Janmashtami and everything. Actually, today I was not supposed to come because I just had my second vaccine today.
Then you could have taken it on Thursday, no?
Arey Baba, my lot of things are getting pending. Actually, last week, this month I was not well also for most of the time. I had a lot of migraine attacks. So it was not feasible for me to work with computer and all. सिर्फ आपका और जो regular batches थे वही ले रही थी मैं. I was not doing any extra work. Trying to take some sleep. So because of all that also I didn't work. A lot of things got pending. So now everything is on my head right now. So each day it is like bas ho gaya abhi. Okay. So again we'll start with yellow, with pure yellow. Where is my brush? I can't see my brush. यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. This is pure yellow. Okay. Now on my palette, what I have done is, you can see yellow and white here.
Yeah.
Okay. I've just made the first shade 50-50 yellow and white. Okay. So this is our first shade 50-50 yellow and white. So let's see. What happens? Now what are we going to increase in this and what are we going to decrease in this? Will we increase yellow or white?
White.
White, correct. So we'll keep on increasing white in the same shade. Don't go here and there. Further almost. Okay. I'm not touching yellow at all. I'm just adding white and white and white in the same quantity. I hope so you guys can see it.
Yes, we can.
See, it's going pastel and further pastel and further pastel. You feel at any point of time, will it go white? Let me know when you see it white.
Now I don't think so.
Can you see?
It's little visible. Yeah. I think it's
Has it come near to white?
yeah. I think it's enough now. The last one
Yes.
looking quite white.
Yes, quite white. I was also going to stop. Now, the same thing you can do with any color. From a base color to a white. This is called color shade card.
Okay.
Okay, this is how we make a color shade card where we go from dark to medium and to lighter shade.
Okay.
Now, if you have a scale like this of a color in front of you, you know what to go, where to go and how to go about it.
Okay.
Okay. So what you can do is whatever colors you have,
Yeah, we will make a shade card like this and keep.
yeah, you make a shade card like this, like the. See, you must have seen these kind of shade cards with Asian paints and all the
Yeah,
paints.
yeah.
Yeah.
So same, that always give you a reference to what will look good and how will it be, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
same thing with your paintings also. If you have a shade card like this, you will get a judgment of it, and slowly and slowly you'll remember the shades also.
Okay.
Okay. When I teach my students shading, I do the same thing in black and white. First lesson is to make a shade card. If you know how to make a shade card, the gradation of the shades, that is perfect. And you can even have something like bookmarker type of thing,
Yeah.
a small strip. You can just tie all the shades together and keep it handy with you when you're working.
Sure, sure.
That goes very well when you're painting actually, because trying remembering some shade can go haywire rather than having something in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay, now any other question? Maima, you have any question?
No, I just wanted to know these two only. Let us like explore. See, now
Okay.
you cannot do it for all the color combination, right? See, with
Right now I
white,
can't do, but yes, I can definitely do it at some point of time on YouTube and post a video.
yeah, whenever you are free, you do that. Now with white, though, it is very clear. We can do it with all the colors, but mixing colors, yes, we have to do some
So
practice.
first you try all the colors with white.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah.
Okay. all the colors with white.
Yeah, then
Once
I'll
you
come into
combine-
combination of colors.
See, color study is a very wide topic.
Yeah,
I can't teach you whole of the color theory and the color system in one day.
yeah, I know.
It needs time, and time. The more you work, more you learn.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
I had a tough time learning color scheme because what used to happen with me was whenever I used to work, all the shades used to go in mid-tone and my painting used to look like blanche.
Okay.
No shines, no darkness, no nothing. Plain. Then slowly, steadily, I started studying others' work, how they work. Okay. And I was definitely in touch with some of the leading artists. I saw their work, spoke to them, and gathered this knowledge how to do color mixing. I was never perfect at it. Today
Yeah.
also, so many times my seniors they keep on telling me, Deepshika, what happened to your lighter tones and the whole painting is looking rubbish. What are you doing? I still get those comments, but I'm still working on it. I've improved it only by practice.
Yeah.
And this will happen definitely only by practice.
I know. That's what. First, let me try with white, then with two different colors.
Definitely. Actually, in between also, if you want, we can have a session on Zoom on my personal this thing. There's no issue. Okay, we
Okay.
need not go on beyond Gyan. We can always stay in touch personally.
Sure.
And if you don't want me to take any class on beyond Gyan for Gosh, that's okay. I will manage something on Zoom then.
Okay.
Okay. Radhika, that goes with you also.
Yeah, so the depth would also come by practice, right? The more white you add,
Yes.
that's yeah.
See, that is what I showed you right now. Na?
Yeah.
And one more thing. There is a concept called aerial view. Now, what happens in aerial view is I'll show you I'll draw a diagram and show you what happens. There's so much of learning and this thing in this now. So what happens in aerial view? Supposingly, this is your sheet. Okay. Supposingly, this is your sheet. Now, we generally divide the sheet in half. Okay. Saying this as horizon line. Okay. I'm really sorry, I'm going in depth, but I need you to understand this. Now what this horizon line does is it divides sky and earth. Very simple concept. It divides your sky and earth. Okay, equally. मतलब इस लाइन के ऊपर जो भी है वो स्काई पार्ट है, इस लाइन के नीचे जो भी है वो अर्थ है. ओके, नाउ अगर यहाँ पे माउंटेन्स भी हैं तो वो भी अर्थ में काउंट होंगे, स्काई में काउंट नहीं होंगे.
Okay.
Okay, because it is a part of earth.
Okay.
Connected to earth से ही है ना. Okay. So now what happens in aerial view? Supposingly I draw a maybe mountain here and there is a maybe beach here. Okay, something like this is there. Now sky को मैंने blue किया. Okay, sky हमेशा जब भी हम आप कहीं भी नोटिस करो, जब हम ऊपर करते हैं तो वो डार्क होता है और होराइजन पे आते आते यहाँ पे लाइट हो जाता है. Why so? Why can't we take one shade here? Why does that happen? ये जो combination है, ये depth create करता है.
Okay.
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 Now यहाँ पे अगर मैं लाइट टोन डाल रही हूँ, can I give a dark tone here on the mountains?
It depends on the background color also, no, Deepshika?
Mostly, if you are making something in perspective, okay, okay. तो क्या होता है, if you make something in perspective, then you have to follow certain rules. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is under perspective. अब अगर मैं इसको डार्क कर देती हूँ और ये भी डार्क है, ये this is my background, okay, this is my foreground, middle ground, okay, and this is my foreground. Now if I put a dark tone here and I put a dark tone here, where will your focus go? Will your focus go here or it will stay here?
Down.
Or you should have two focal points.
I think the upper part should be light and the lower part should be dark.
Correct. Why did you come to this judgment?
If it's both the dark, then I think that the concentration will go on the lower part.
See, your middle ground, which is attached to your background, cannot be dark than this. Okay. एक तो ये पीछे है. It is a landscape. Okay. What are you creating here? You're creating that depth between this portion and this portion, right?
Yeah.
You are ना. So अगर आप ये डार्क कर दोगे और इसको उससे डार्क रखोगे, तो डेप्थ कहाँ जाएगी? How will you show that ये जो ओशन बीच में है या रिवर बीच में है, ये इसके पीछे, इसके आगे है, माउंटेन इसके पीछे है? How will you show that? Everything will look in a same plane. And painting or drawing or anything like that does not suggest you that. देखो, ये जो हम बना रहे हैं, जिस पे हम बना रहे हैं, this is purely a 2D object. Okay. What we are doing, we are simply creating a illusion on a 2D object. You're getting this? Isn't it true? Whatever you are making on a sheet of paper is actually an illusion of something. Enough. So this suggestively, I'll not go in too much of depth. Suggestively, it is said that your background should be the lightest. Okay, it should be the lightest. Not even light, the lightest. This should go, this or this should go in the middle tone.
Below should be dark.
Yes. And your foreground should be dark. इसका एक और लॉजिक है, क्योंकि दूर की चीज हमें लाइट दिखती है और पास की चीज हमें डार्क दिखती है. So it creates a presence of depth in the whole picture. So whenever you are doing a picture, always plan your colors in light, medium and dark tones. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do is, soon I'll put a video on single tone. Okay, अभी तक हमने जो भी किया है वो हमने multiple colors में किया है, right? So I'll put a video on single tone, which will give you an idea that how to go about creating these depths.
Sure, sure.
That's
also
like the
the-
one we worked with the green tone that day, so I wasn't getting the depth in that.
Yes, yes. that picture I chose only because there were so many greens in it. I wanted you to see how tones and shades they change as the light works. Okay. So
The other
still
day you
I-
shared the pictures, no? For
Pardon
the
me?
other day you share the pictures, right?
Yeah.
You can try these pictures. In that,
Yeah, for now you can try those pictures.
no, for that, when you are free, can you tell us like what are the color shades to use?
That day you said na you'll call.
But I was
waiting.
like getting late with my work, so I could not call you.
Achha. No, that's okay. Generally I sleep by 12:31, so no issues. You can even message me then also.
Yeah. So
No
at
issues.
least that if you can tell us what are the colors,
Huh.
probably we can try that.
Definitely I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay. Okay. Any other questions you have?
No, nothing much. Let us try this much first. See, as and when we do, we might get questions. So
Yeah, sure.
I'll note it down and I'll get back to you.
Yes, please. So Radhika, any more questions from your end?
No, as far as I just had the problem in these two things. Others,
Okay.
I practice and practice.
Okay. So can we do one thing? Whenever both of you are free, tie it up with like each other, and let me know if you get time on any of the weekends, leaving the next weekend. Then we can sit down once a week. We can sit down, okay, and discuss whatever work you have done. You can show it to me live on the video. And we will have a normal Zoom call. From my end, let me know a day prior that this day and time you want me. So I'll give you the link for the Zoom meeting, and we can proceed with once a week meeting. I'll not teach anything. I'll just see your work and give you corrections.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
But I want response from your side.
Yeah, sure. Now for next 2 weekends, I'm busy. Post that
Okay.
after Ganesh Chaturthi only we'll meet.
Okay, fine by me. Fine by me. Just give me a day's time before you both plan for a meeting.
Sure.
Okay, fine.
Just give me 1 day time so that I can schedule and see my calendar also.
Sure.
And then I can just pop in and we can discuss things. And as it is after Diwali, we are going to start with new batch.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. चलो तो अभी क्या करना है? अभी लीव करना है कि कुछ और डिस्कस करना है?
I think now this much is enough. Let us try.
अच्छा, नहीं, because if I go in depth, then it will be too heavy for you.
Yeah, it will get confused.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.